Hello dear student, I hope you all are safe and sound at your home. Today I am brought a new lesson for you all. That is the third level written by Jack Finney. It is a first lesson of your English book Vistas. So let's see what is the third level. The third level is nothing, just a third floor of Grand Central Station in the New York City. So what is special in it? Actually, there is no third level in it. The Grand Central Station has only 2 levels. So what is the third level? We are going to study through this story. Students, many times when we surrounded with the huge problems or such a situation in our life or student life or social life that we are not getting any solution of those problems. We are not getting any solution, not any way to get rid from it. So we tend to think that I wish it could be some place or somewhere where I could escape from all of them, leaving behind all the problems and the people and relax for some times, maybe for a day or more. Such thing has happened with the young man of this story. He found some another place which was really not existing. So what it is? Parallel world or only imaginary world? Let's see with the story of the third level. The story has 3 main characters. First, a 31-year-old young man, Charlie, who was the narrator as well as the protagonist or the hero of this story, who really experienced the existence of third level in the Grand Central Station. The second main character is Louisa, a young and beautiful wife of Charlie. And the third main character is Sam. Sam is a family friend of Charlie and also a psychiatrist. The present situation of this story is about after the World War in the New York City. The theme of the story is based on traveling between the real world to the parallel world. And Charlie, a 31-year-old man, was traveled to the parallel world through the third level of Grand Central Station, which was not existing. One day, after from work, when Charlie was going home through subway, suddenly the train reached at the destination. When Charlie came out from the train, he had seen that it is not that station. He saw the nameplate hanging the third level of Grand Central Station. It was weird for him because he knows that there is no third level existing. He had also seen the people of somewhere such as in 18th and 19th centuries, means the time before the world saw 2 of its most deadliest wars. Then he realized what time he is in. He immediately decided to buy 2 tickets to Galesburg, the place where he always wanted to go, and live peacefully with his wife Louisa. But unfortunately, he had the currency of present time, which was not acceptable by the clerk in the ticket counter. So he went home and told all the event happens with him to his wife and told the next day he will exchange all his savings with the currencies of 18th and 19th centuries. It worried his wife. She thought that maybe he is tired. How he can waste all of our savings? The very next day, both of them went to their family friend Sam, who was a psychiatrist, and told all the things, all the story of yesterday's. Sam told that maybe there are many problems in Charlie's life, so he was seeing the daydream to get rid from all the problems for few times. Sam suggested Charlie that Charlie should restart his older pastime, that is stamp collection. By doing this, his mind can relax and he will not see such a dream or imagination again. Charlie did so. Few days later, Charlie experienced that he did not see the third level anymore. He was in the search of it but did not got. He read a missing news of his friend Sam in the local newspaper. Sam was missing from few days. One day, Charlie finds a letter in the scrapbook of the stamp collection. It was from his friend Sam, who was missing recently. Sam wrote that he always wanted to believe in the idea of third level, and now he is there himself. And he also encouraged Charlie and Loisa to never stop looking for it. Dear student, through this story, the author wants to convey the message of hard realities of war. War has irreversible consequences, thus leaving people in a state of insecurity. It is also about modern day problems and how common man tends to escape reality by various means. In this story, the Charlie had played the same role. So student, I hope you enjoyed the summary and you liked the summary, understood very well. Hope you understand. Thank you and good day.